In this review, we will be discussing in details about the best foldable electric scooter with seat available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need best foldable electric scooter with seat, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide present Top 6 Best Foldable Electric Scooter with Seat. Let's get started.
Is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 1. Racer EcoSmart Metro. The best overall electric scooter with a seat is Racer EcoSmart Metro, and it's no wonder that it took place on our list as number 1. The Racer EcoSmart Metro electric scooter can reach speeds of up to 20 mph, providing continuous usage for a full 60 minutes. It can carry a load of 220 IBS, which is suitable for the average adult, transporting you from work to the gym and then back home for dinner. The design consists of some bicycle features such as larger wheels and a basket for easy storage, in addition to a laminated bamboo check for your feet. Number 2. Topmate ES31 Electric Scooter Mini Tricycle. Here at MyPro Scooter, we always credit companies for breaking the rules and trying something different, and just by looking at Topmate ES31, it looks like that's just the case here. What is super unique with this awesome electric scooter with a seat is that its 3 wheels are giving it much more stability, which makes it a lot safer. Driving on 3 wheels can be just as fun as driving on 2 wheels, and Topmate ES31 is here to prove it. In the video the manufacturer presented on the product page, you can see lots of its features, but we are gonna cover them here also. Number 3. Racer E300S Seated Electric Scooter. The Racer E300S electric scooter with seat provides a model for a much lower price, which is available in 4 different color options. Being able to reach speeds of up to 15 mph, the Racer E300S Seated Electric Scooter can carry a load of 220 IBS and is tailored more towards a teenage market. After a 12-hour charge, the battery can provide 40 minutes of continuous use, a perfect choice for jeeping around the neighborhood. Number 4. Racer UB1 Seated Electric Scooter. The Racer UB1 Seated Electric Scooter is one of the best models available in his price range. Best for 14 and up, can keep up to 40 minutes continuous ride, with max speed up to 13.5 mph. It has a specific futuristic design, which is the thing that divides it from the competition. Sophisticated style meets comfort on the UB1 Seated Electric Scooter. Number 5. Toxu-Zer's Electric 60V 1000 watt fat tire scooters. The Toxu-Zer's electric scooter looks like a bully in this list, and its manufacturers probably wanted it to look like that. The premium 60V takes an average time of 6 hours to charge fully and can last for a total journey of up to 23 miles. Toxogears can reach a top speed of 25 mph, which is expected considering that it's charged by a 1000 watt rear hub motor. Number 6. Razor E200S. The Razor E200S seated electric scooter is available at a more mid-range price, boasting a high torque, ultra-quiet, chain-driven motor and handy twist grip throttle, powered by a long-lasting rechargeable 24-volt cell battery system. High-performance motor with speeds up to 12 mph. Features rear-wheel drive for increased traction and control.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.